Hello guys, this is Austin Valencia 1. I'll be showing you an alternative for the Wii sensor bar. All you need is 2 candles and a lighter, and I'll be testing right now. So go to options, settings, sensor bar. Alright, so there are the 2 dots from the sensor bar. I'm gonna unplug it right now. Alright, so here it is, the cord. Just drop that, and it is not going, so light the candles. There's 2 candles, and now there is the 2 dots from the candles. So yeah, it does work. It's a very easy and cheap way if you lost or broken your sensor bar. Alright, so comment, rate, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.